How to use Anti-Insect by Posh Auto Care. Anti-Insect was developed to help loosen and soften bugs off the front of your vehicle without causing any damage to your PPF or ceramic coated paintwork. One of the biggest issues we come to as car enthusiasts and people that daily drive their cars is bugs. Bugs are a pain. We developed something to help conquer the bugs without harming your paintwork or film surface. Step one, make sure your car is cool to the touch and out of direct sunlight. You don't want to be coming right out of a hot track session or right off a hot road trip. You want to ensure your car is cool to the touch because you do not want this product to dry anywhere on your car. Once you ensure the car is cool to the touch, you begin the wash process. First, by liberally applying this product across the whole infected surface. This includes your windshield, your mirrors, your front end, anywhere that there's bug remnants, you can use this product for. After liberally applying the product across all these surfaces, you want to let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes without drying. So keep an eye on it. You'll start to see the bugs start to loosen and melt off the surface. From here, if you're at a wand wash, you can pressure wash off that whole initial process of bugs, or at home, you can just rinse off as needed. From here, you just need to thoroughly rinse and then begin the next stage of your wash process by hand washing your car. If stubborn bugs persist, apply another layer of anti-insect and then agitate them with a wash mitt or a mesh side of a wash mitt to help loosen those stubborn bugs off. Anti-insect also works great for stubborn tree sap. We found that this product actually helps to loosen and remove it without damaging the surface. Anti-insect is safe to use on all vinyl, PPF, and paintwork surfaces. The biggest thing is you do not want to let this product dry. Visit poshautocare.ca to take a look at all of our other products and to order Anti-Insect today.